Hello again, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very delicious simple recipe, sardine in a can. So I got 2 cans of sardine right here. It's 15 ounce each, and the brand name is 9939 brand sardine, 39 brand sardine. So got 2 cans of that. Each can is about 15 ounces. And the ingredient you need is 1 stalk of lemongrass, about half an onion, 3 chili pepper, some green onion, 1 lime, some sawtooth coriander. This is called a sawtooth coriander right here. You can buy that from Asian store. Sawtooth coriander and some cilantro. Let's cut up the vegetable. Sawtooth coriander, all you need to do is just cut to small pieces, like that. Same thing with cilantro. Green onion. Yeah, just to add the spiciness, so add some chili in there. If you don't want to, it's okay, you don't have to. I'm gonna use just a little bit, just a quarter. The easy way to squeeze the lime juice out of a lime is just take a knife and kind of roll it like this, massage it a little bit, and it's easier when you squeeze. All the juice gonna come out real easier this way. So just cut this in half for now. So you just want the soft part, basically. Just save this for when you make soup or something like that. And just kind of chop it up a little bit so it's easier to eat. Yeah, try to chop up it'll make it easier to eat if you... Alright, that's good. Here's the ingredient again. Some chili pepper, 1 lime, chop up lemongrass, green onion, sawtooth coriander, cilantro, and then sawtooth coriander. Let's open up the sardine right here. This one has a lot of sodium in there. It's got 110 milligrams of sodium, so you don't need to add a lot of salt in there. And so let's open this up. Okay, so inside right here, called the sardine right here, is in a kind of a tomato puree right here inside. So it's in. Okay, the sardine is already cooked. So anyway, it's already cooked. They just need to warm it up in the pan right here. Just need to warm it up in the pan. So just dumping this in this frying pan right here. Yeah, you can eat it cold if you want to, but it's already cooked anyway. So, but I like to eat mine warm. So I put a cover on it, cook for about 2-3 minutes. That's it. Just warm. After about 3 minutes, it's boiling. So just turn out the heat for now. Just turn off the heat for now. And then take all the sardine out. I'll just leave just take the sardine, remove the sardine. Alright, now turn the heat back on. And we're gonna put all the ingredient in there. Onion. Just cook it a little bit. Cook the onion in there. Alright, onion, lemongrass, chili. Just put about half the chili and the other half put in later. Sawtooth coriander, cilantro, green pepper, green onion, I mean 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, a little bit of this granulated chicken flavor soup base, just to add flavor to it. Granulated chicken flavor soup base mix. 1 teaspoon of that. Now reduce turn off the heat. That's it. And that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, put the sauce on the top. I'm gonna garnish it with a little bit of chili pepper there on top. I'm gonna squeeze some lime on the top. So I'm just use half a lime. Half of a lime, that's it. So this is a final product, canned sardine recipe. It's very delicious. Let's taste it. Give it a taste. Yeah.
You do rice?
Good. Pretty good. And it tastes pretty good. This can be eaten with rice and vegetable. So I hope you give this recipe a try. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.